out a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Oh dear. I spilled some of my salt grit.
Salt grit? You spilled salt grit?
Oh, don't worry. I'll clear it up.
No, it's not that. Spilling salt grit is really unlucky.
Unlucky?
Diggs, engage bonnets before opening grill.
But Carrie, it's true. The last time I spilled salt grit, I fell off a bridge.
Fell off a bridge?
Take no notice, Scooch. All that salt grit stuff is just a load of old scrap.
Oh.
And anyway, it's not as if we're doing anything dangerous.
No.
Aha! Just the trucks I was looking for. Today, I want you to go to the top of a very high building. First, you'll go up, then I'll send up the materials so you can unload them.
Will you be up there with us, Bozer, making sure nothing unlucky happens?
I'm afraid not, Scooch. But don't worry, I will be keeping my headlights on you.
How?
Well, there's a camera up there, so I can see everything you do on a television screen. So remember, Big Bozer is watching. Going up, they're going to the top. Going up, no one's gonna drop. Going up, how do you make this stop? Going up, 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 up. One more floor, take a look around. One more floor, you can look all over town. One more floor, it's a long way to the ground. Going up, 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 up. Nearly there, you'll see them on TV. Nearly there, that's where they're gonna be. Nearly there, ooh, rather him than me. Going up, 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 up. Going up, they've made it to the top. Going up, the ride's about to stop. Going up, it's quite a way to drop. They've been going up.
Varoom! Ooh, I'm on TV. I'm ready for my close-up now, Mr. Bozer.
Lug, Carl.
Yeah?
I've got to go and order some more concrete. Would you mind keeping your headlights on that TV for a bit?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no problem, Bozer. But Carl, Diggs is on TV.
Oh.
I better not go too close to the edge. Unlucky things can happen when you get too close to the edge. I'll just move back as far as it... Oh no! I just did an unlucky thing. I squished a bucket!
And so it begins.
Did you see that? The little dumper just rolled over a bucket.
Yeah, great piece of television.
I just did an unlucky thing.
That means it's over with. So for the rest of the day, you'll be lucky.
Oh,
That's not usually the way of the salt grit.
Take no notice of old Mr. Spooky Spark Plugs. And anyway, we've unloaded everything, so we can go down now.
oh, thank you, Carrie. I feel so much better.
Right then, you go first.
All right. To that left.
Nothing exciting has happened since that squished bucket.
No, Shame we can't change the channels.
Ah.
I can't believe that Dix fell off a bridge, and all I did was roll over a bucket. Oh! What? Oh! What's that? The lift has stopped halfway down this very high building. Haha! Good job I got my unlucky thing out the way. Hello? The lift seems to be a bit stuck!
The lift is stuck.
Oh no!
Don't worry, Scooch. I'll sort it out.
How?
I'll pull something.
Oh! What was that? Oh, probably just the wind.
Oh no! It's falling! Do something else, Diggs!
Oh, it stopped going down.
Scooch!
Hello? Hello?
What's going on?
The little dumper is stuck in the lift.
Oh no!
Hey, hey.
Scooch, are you all right?
Yes. No. Oh dear. I think that must have been my unlucky thing.
Unlucky? You just got out of a malfunctioning lift in one piece? I'd say that was very lucky indeed.
Really? But I spilled some salt grit.
Ah, I think you should take any talk of salt grit with a pinch of salt grit.
I did run over a bucket.
Oh, that was because you weren't looking where you were going. Oh, you can see the action replay if you like.
So, all this talk of salt grit is a pile of scrap, just like Carrie said.
Absolutely. And if there are any unlucky machines here today, it's Diggs and Carrie. They'll be stuck up there until we can get this lift fixed.
Well, it might be unlucky for them, but it's lucky for us.
Why's that?
'Cause we've still got something to watch.
No, I don't want you two turning into a pair of coach potatoes.
They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.